night. We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way, guided by love's everlasting sway. With each celestial heartbeat we dance on in this cosmic gate, as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
Guys, how are you? So my good name is Christabel and we are back again. This is recipe number 2, and I've already, as you can see from the topic of the video, we are doing 4 recipes, or rather 4 methods in which you can prepare plantains, because I realized many people are really struggling with making plantains, and it shouldn't be. So I am here to be that plug that gives you the most awesome recipes that take the least time. Because guys, can you imagine, I don't have a nanny version 2. I think I'm gonna write a book about this phase of my life, because oh my god, what is even happening with my life? So this recipe calls for overripe plantains, and that is why you can see that my plantains are black in color. So I am going to just peel my plantains the way you have seen me doing, and then I'm going to cut them in half and then cut them in strips of 3. So exactly what I am doing in this video. And guys, we have already... Yes, mama. Yes. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Yes. Yes, mama. Sorry. Bless you. we have already prepared for crash, so that section is us ready for crash, and also my lunch is there because we do not have a nanny. And when we don't have a nanny, I have already identified a very, very clean, reliable crash that I drop off our baby to for the day. We drop them as early as 7, and there she is establishing her presence. So that is all the plantains I am going to use because I want to cook them at one go. So I have my prepared plate, which my daughter was so gracious to do for me. My pan is already going on the fire, so the only thing I'm going to do is brush my pan with a bit of oil. And today I am using this double-sided pan, which is always my to-go-to pan. If you do not have a double-sided pan, use a pan that you can cover, because you need to cover these plantains for them to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes.